Hello, I just want to document what's going on with my mixer. It's been working great for a while. Today I woke up and turned it on and it was making this weird clicking sound. And so through the process of elimination, I unplugged everything and I'm going to demonstrate. It seems to only come on, the sound comes on, when this comes on. And this has quite a delay. Let's see. Strange noises. It's connected to the speakers. This hasn't come on yet. We're looking for this. The sound is stronger when it's in USB. I'm gonna wait for this to come on. Effects still haven't come on. There's no USB plugged in back there. I thought maybe that could have been it. Do you hear it? Nothing on yet. The effects are just not coming on now. I'm guessing it's related to something with that. See the flash? It's like it's trying to boot up. I'm afraid it might be loud. Still nothing here. I turn this on and off. There we go. And this is working. This lit up now. When I turn this off, you still hear it if you bring it up to Unity. Oh, it's not. Normally before I would run it, everything at this volume, pretty low volume because these speakers are very loud. So I would run it at like -30 for these speakers. So that would be a normal volume where I'd be running things, and things were fine yesterday. I have no idea what's causing this. But now, if it's out, I put this up to Unity, you still hear it. If I turn it on, it's gonna be real loud. So I pull it down to -30. All right, hopefully you have a solution, or maybe I need to send it in for repairs. Please let me know what I can do. Thank you.